Hi, everyone. This is Carol Cando-Pineda from the Federal Trade Commission and Military Consumer. I'm here today to talk about COVID-19 related scams. So we've come a long way in the last 9 months. We've all learned an awful lot, but there's still a lot of uncertainty out there. And that's exactly what scammers love. Whether they call you, email, text, sometimes they even knock on your door, they're looking to find what the latest headline is and how they might take advantage of it. And so as the pandemic has evolved, so have the scams. So here are a few things that you need to be aware of that are floating around out there about COVID-19 related scams. First, vaccines. Okay, so the great news is we've got 2 approved vaccines and distribution is already underway. States are generally developing distribution plans and taking care of distributing the vaccine to the people that live in their state. And the military is developing its own distribution plan. So you'll hear about that through command. But the scammers would like to make you think that you can get on a list to get the vaccine early, or somehow they can get you access to the vaccine when other people can't get it. That's just not true. So if somebody says to you they can get you the vaccine early if you just pay them or verify your social security number or share your account information with them, don't do it. It's a scam. It's just not how things work. But again, they're trying to take advantage of the fact that those that want to get the vaccine want to get it as soon as possible. The same holds true for treatments and cures. We don't have any definitively proven treatments or cures for COVID, at least not in products. And so somebody that tries to sell you a product that they say is going to treat COVID, you can take it at home and be fine, or it's going to prevent your getting the virus, don't believe them. They don't exist yet. That's a scam. Somebody's just trying to get your money or your personal information. So next, there's contact tracing. That's still a really important part of managing the pandemic. And contact tracers are still working to try to develop the chains of how the virus is being spread. So you may be contacted by a contact tracer. But if somebody gets in touch with you and they say they're a contact tracer and they want you to pay them or to share your financial account information with them, they say it's necessary for contact tracing, you're lying. That's not true. That is a scam. Scammers are going to try to get you to share your information by pretending to be contact tracers and saying that they need that information, and it's just not true. Likewise, you may get a text message or an email from somebody saying that they're a contact tracer, and these kinds of messages, like a phishing scam, will have a link in them, and they'll say, click on this to complete the process or to check your status or to get more information. Real contact tracers will not have those links in their messages. So you can just delete those messages. If you're concerned, you can contact your state public health department, but you're better off deleting that message, because if it's from a scammer, that link could transfer malware to your device and cause you a lot of trouble with your computer. And so lastly, come economic stimulus payments, right? So we had those payments earlier this year, and now we've learned that there's a new bill that's being passed, and it provides for direct payments to consumers, again, to ease some of those financial implications of the pandemic. But if somebody contacts you and says they're from the IRS or from Social Security Administration or any other government agency, that they can help you get your payment quickly, or get on a list so that you're prioritized for your payment, or they need to collect taxes or fees in order for you to get your payment, don't believe them. No legitimate government agency is going to contact you and demand payment that way. And there is no way to get on a list to get your payment more quickly. You'll get your payment in the due course of how they're distributed. And we still don't know that yet. Those plans are still being determined. And so you just really watch the news to see what the actual details are of how you can expect your payment. Don't depend on a call or an email or somebody that's demanding payment to get you that more quickly. So as you can imagine, these scams will continue to evolve as the situation evolves and as things progress. If you want to stay up on those, go to ftc.gov/coronavirus ftc.gov/scams. That's ftc.gov/coronavirus/scams, and you'll always know the latest. Thanks.